Hello everyone, Ranjit this side. So in this video, I will show you all the resources and websites which will have all kinds of information about the data science or the artificial intelligence related information, what all innovations are going on and what is new in this world of computer science or artificial intelligence. So first one is the ai.google.com. So this is where you will find all the articles, or all the informations being released by the Google itself, right? So it's a great resource. You can surely, go through all these information or, collection of information. Now, this is more of like the publications, all the publications which are done by the Google. You will find almost everything over here. So education is there, economics is there, algorithms optimization. So it's amazing information. You can simply just go through it, and it's totally free. There's no not even a single article wherein you need to pay. Then we have our DeepMind's articles, or let's say all the information that you can have. So this is again using AI to fight climate change. Then you have new model translates vision and language into action. I mean, it's a great collection. So again, I would suggest you can surely go through that. I will share the link in the description. Then you have the research papers from again the DeepMind, right? So let's say the deep learning is there. So all those articles or information or publications can be this. And again, this is a free link. You can surely download it and go through the whole publications or the articles. Then we have from Facebook again, one of the organizations which works very deep into all the artificial intelligence or the computer science related topics or information, or let's say categories. So again, fairness in computer vision, evaluation benchmark. So publications are there. Code Llama is there. So yeah, I mean, this is again a great source of information. Then we have again Facebook. There's a blog based on the artificial intelligence. So see input model. It's an amazing website. Again, you can have all those news, latest news from direct back from the Facebook. Then how can we forget about the Microsoft? So Microsoft is having a large collection of all those kinds of articles, which I mean, it's like infinite kind of information or articles or knowledge. You can surely go through that. Then how can we forget about MIT? So MIT, we have autonomous innovations in an uncertain world. How to how to help high schoolers prepare for the rise of artificial intelligence. Again, a great link to go through what is happening in the world of artificial intelligence. Then we have again from MIT, I think technologypreview.com. This is again a great article. I think this is by MIT itself. Let me just see the copyright. Yeah, this is MIT Technology Review, again a website by MIT. If we have MIT, then how can we forget about the Stanford, right? So this is the blog by Stanford University. So this is again based on artificial intelligence, right? Amazing collection again. Yeah. Then we have Berkeley, not Barclay, but Berkeley. I think I might be spelling it or pronouncing it wrong, but Berkeley is again a great source of information about the greatest innovations or the technology upgrade that or yeah, the research that they are doing. So you can surely go through that. Then these are the conferences. I think advancing the neural information. So introduce a new track data set. So this is supposed to be a conference information. Let me just check what is happening over here. But yeah, advanced in the neural information processing systems. I think this is more the articles from the conferences that are being done across world. Then we have Rixis. Again, it's more like conferences series. Here again, you will get almost like really up to date articles about the conferences which are going on across world and what is happening in the world right now in the artificial intelligence space. Then we have KDD virtual conference. Again, amazing papers. Must go through that. Then we have ICLR. Yeah, I mean, there's so much of information and the things going on across world that it's a huge collection. And the people that is working behind all these articles, they are like geniuses. And then two more very common websites that we all come across. One is towards datascience.com. Again, a great website to to be more updated with the artificial intelligence. And then we have medium.com. Again, I find it really useful. You can surely go through that. Last but not the least, then we have paper with code. Again, amazing collection of articles. Make sure you can always go through this whole website. So yeah, this is what I used to mostly go through, and I will share the link in the description. You can surely go through that, and let me know what you think about all these links, and if you have any other links about the latest technologies which is being published, please do comment, or let me know. I will add it in the future videos. Till then, take care. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drink plenty of water and eat healthy.